Sora 2 has taken over the internet with videos that blur the line between reality and creation.
Leave it!
Whether it is animation or realism, every frame feels alive, every movement perfectly natural. But there is one problem. Getting into Sora 2 is not simple and straightforward. It is locked behind limited access, available only in select regions, and only for Apple devices. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create your own Sora 2 account, step by step. We will start with a basic story concept, turn it into detailed scene prompts, and finally generate animations using Sora 2. We will test 3 different methods: simple prompting, JSON prompting, and the advanced timeline technique, revealing which one truly brings your vision to life. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest updates. So, without further delay, let's get started. To access Sora 2, click on the first link in the description, and you will be directed to this page. Click on the Invite button. Answer the questions by simply copying and pasting the provided responses. Here, you will get the invite code. Copy the code, go to the Sora website, and click on Enter Invite Code. Paste your code, and boom. You now have access to Sora 2 for free. Let's test this tool for animation-style videos. Head over to ChatGPT and ask it to break down your story into short 3D Pixar-style animation scenes by pasting your story idea. Let's start with a simple, adventurous animation story featuring multiple characters. Within a few seconds, we will have a short story divided into 10 scenes. As you know, character consistency is essential for any story. So, I will ask ChatGPT to define the characters first and then generate prompts that maintain their consistent appearance throughout all scenes. And here we have our character details based on the story. Once the characters are defined, I will ask it to generate prompts for each scene, keeping the character consistency intact. Here are the scene prompts. Copy the first prompt, go to the Sora website, and paste it there. Choose the landscape aspect ratio and set the video duration to 10 seconds. Click Generate and wait for a couple of minutes. And here we have the output.
Lens is locked. Steam's getting thicker.
Noted. Temperature's up 3 degrees since dawn.
Surf's still glassy if anyone wants a break. Give us 10, Tommy!
Hold on. Feel that?
Overall, the result looks great with smooth camera movement, clean scene animation, and natural voiceover. Now, copy the second prompt and paste it again.
Ari, it's off the chart.
I know, it's spiking fast.
Ground is cracking. Hold on.
This one also looks impressive in terms of animation and visual quality. I have generated several videos using these scene prompts one by one. You will notice that while character consistency is not perfect, the scene details are followed precisely, and the overall animation quality is solid. Let's talk about JSON and timeline prompting, which are new methods for creating even more refined videos. To make things easier, I have created a custom GPT that can generate prompts for any scene or image within minutes. Just copy your scene prompt and paste it into the custom GPT. Within a few moments, you will get a detailed prompt including video style, camera settings, scene descriptions, and a complete timeline split into short intervals up to 15 seconds. Copy this text prompt, go back to the Sora website, and paste it there. Set the video duration to 15 seconds, then click Generate.
Got the readings.
Believe it or not, the results look amazing. The prompt perfectly matches the animation output. Now, let's ask ChatGPT for a JSON prompt. Here it is. Copy the JSON prompt and paste it into Sora 2. click Generate and wait a couple of minutes.
The readings.
Overall, the video looks excellent in terms of camera movement and scene animation. Here is the video for the second scene. You can see that JSON prompting maintains better character consistency compared to the other methods. You can check out my previous video on how to remove the watermark. Just click the link above. Also, you can use third-party websites to generate watermark-free videos in HD quality. OpenArt is a great website that lets you use Sora Pro without any watermark. Click on the video generation feature. Choose the text-to-video option. Select the Sora video model. OpenArt allows a maximum of 12 seconds per video clip, so I will copy only this part of the text and paste it here. You can enable the auto sound and auto speech options if you like. There are two available modes, Fast and Pro. The only difference between them is the video quality. The Pro mode offers up to 1080p resolution. I will select the Pro mode with 720p resolution for now. Choose the landscape aspect ratio and click the Create button. After waiting a couple of minutes, here is the final output video, completely watermark-free.
Got it! It's getting worse!
Jump the crack!
Go!
Right now, you can get 50% off on the yearly plan for a limited time. Don't miss this opportunity to grab it at a lower price by following the link in the description. What do you think about these prompting methods and their results? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.